Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Road King that I want to show you. It's a very low mileage bike with lots of upgrades. It's got a 21-inch front wheel added to it with a wraparound fender, with really nice chrome spoke rims, dual front disc brakes, chrome rotors, chrome front end, chrome fender mounts there. Lots of chrome on this bike, wind deflectors. It's got an engine guard here with a nice Harley Davidson highway pegs and the chrome oil cooler cover. It's got the really nice pedals, shifter pegs, and footboards, rider and passenger. It's got a 2-in-1 Freedom exhaust on it, high performance header. Nice 103 Screaming Eagle air cleaner there. Get your little ditty bags on both sides, or you carrying your paraphernalia and stuff. Got the stretch bag extenders here. This is like a chrome extender. The bag doesn't actually come down to the bottom of that, but it gives it that extended bag look. Chrome inserts here like the Street Glide's got. Detachable luggage rack and backrest. You could replace both of those with a detachable tour pack if you wanted to. Upgraded lenses there. I think that's LED lights. Tires still look really good on it. Just a little over 400 miles on this bike. Matching floorboards and pedals on this side. It's had this really nice batwing fairing added to it. Low profile smoked windshield. The radio, it's got a Sony radio in it. A little glove box here for your goodies. It's like about a 14-inch ape on there. Steel braided lines. This might be 16s, I didn't measure them. Nice matching hand grips, chrome switch housings. This bike's got electronic cruise control. Got the slick dash with the tack in there. Electronic fuel gauge here and fuel gauge over here. It's got 479 miles on it. I'll fire it off and let you give it a listen. Let that bike get by us. I think this bike has actually had a bit of engine work done on it. Our sales team would know more about that than I do. It is one sweet ride. It's got the matching rear wheel too. See if I can get down low enough to show it to you. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. See our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. Bike went through our shop. It's just in perfect shape. Got all kind of financing and extended warranties on this bike. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world. So it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.